Alright, I just downloaded this new game called Monkey. Alright, there's horror. I don't know how to play. I already sent my name. So, across the bridge. Is that the horror? Oh yeah, there's a green screen. That's cool. I'm not gonna go down there quite yet. Oh, yo, what's this? Third person hand camera. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is very sickening. Oh, I feel sick. I feel like my hands are a lot stickier. Oh, just like. Oh, okay. Hold up. Okay, hold up. Oh my gosh. Oh, my controller disconnected. My controller keeps disconnecting. Wait. Just goaded like that. Oh, yup. Hey. Hold up. Touch the button. Okay. Yeah, I don't want the hand camera. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna try third person. Boop. Oh, I feel sick already. Alright, I'm gonna check out this green screen thing. Because I saw monkeys in there. Oh. Is that a horror monster? Yo, he's jacked. Oh, I can't really see. He's jacked. Oh, there's two of them. There's that big one. Oh, I can go through them. Whew. Oh, there's a monkey. Monkey! T-shirt. Oh, you got cosmetics. He's cool.
Hi.
Oh, the ladder. I'm turning off third person. I gotta go up the ladder. And then we're gonna go check out the horror thing. No, because it's probably the map. Oh, it's the map? Yeah, it's not the horror thing. I was gonna say, because there's no map. There can't just be just the horror thing. I can't see. I'm just flicking my arms around and hoping I dropped my controller. Alright.
The hardest ladder. Let me see if I can. Oh my gosh. My time lapse to me trying to get up the ladder. Okay, I'm turning it off.
Okay. Oh, this feels good. Okay. Hold up. Okay, we got music. I'll turn that off. It's a bit loud. Handballs. Is that these white things? Oh yeah. I'll keep that on. Horror. Oh, I didn't like that. Where's? Is that a monster? Monster! Oh crap! I'm stuck. Crap! Juked! 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 Where are you going? Where are you going? Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off. Wait, release? Is he still there? Oh, he's still there. Okay, he's like right there. He's just chilling right here. Okay. What the?
No entry. No
IDK's dating
no
shack.
No entry.
Whoa. What is this? Okay. Gazebo? What is this? There's a butterfly. Oh, yo. That's something I'll check out later. Another butterfly. What's down here? Cadigo's Crack Shack. Oh, that's a pretty cool cat. Yo, what's good, man? Oh. Hold up. I salute. Okay. is really bright. What is this? This is a really bright light. So over here. Oh, is this a map? Big old tall. Can I escape? Please. Please. Can I escape? Hold up. I'm gonna use the tree. A lot hard to move in this game. Oh, I could, but I think I don't want to fall. Yeah, I don't want to fall. Maybe later, at the end of the video. Oh, it's a volcano. I'm gonna jump in the big one. It's pretty cool. It's like a deserted map. Alright, I need to do that. Oh, I'm doing. Is that a. Oh, it's a parkour thing. That's lame. I'm gonna rate this game out of. Hold on, I'm lagging. I'm gonna rate this game out of 10 at the end. Oh, it's really hard to get out. Okay. Got out of the volcano. Yup. Hold on. Oh. I think it likes it when I try and put my hand through walls. Yeah, it does not like that. Anyway, skirt. It's just a last volcano. I'm guessing. Yep. Skirt. Yeah, this is really fun. Yeah, it's really hard to move though. It's really sticky hands though, so like what's down here? Is that a trampoline? Please be a trampoline. Please. Oh, it's a park. Oh, it's not a trampoline. There's a slide though. Please work. Please work. Oh, the slide works. Oh, there's a double walls. Can I elevator climb? So click. No, I don't think so. My hand. What the? That's okay. I don't need an elevator climb if I can Lucio. Alright, hold up. I'm gonna try and Lucio up this entire wall. So, okay. I messed up. Look. Oh. Make escape time. Oopsies. Hospital flip. Oh, I just hospital flipped, kind of. Barely. Not really. I don't think so. Go. Go, what's good, monkey? Oh, what's this? Just everything slippery? Can I? Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, monkey. Cosmetic. Oh. 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 I don't like that. Why are you so big? Oh, yo. OG. I'm OG. I don't want that. Is there a mirror? No mirror. Oh yeah, give me that cap. Oh, no, I cannot see. Bro, I keep dropping my darn controller. Cookie? Cookie! Gun? Cheeseburger. I like gun. Gun. Hot dog? Gun. Luffy hat. Monkey D. Luffy hat. Yeah, this is the fit. I got that. Pew pew. Pew pew. Pew. It's a water gun. It's a water gun. Trust, it's a water gun. Yeah, but check out that last, because that's the parkour thing. Check that out. Did that. What's over here? Wait. About to get gangbanged. Oh, it's a candy land. Can you hear me? Wait, stop, stop. Don't move. Don't move. No, if any of you guys come up here, I'm shooting them. Stay down there. Go. Get out. Get off. Okay. Going into the cave. You know what? See if I find someone to come in the cave with me. Because it might be another horror thing. Yo, who wants to come in the cave? Oh, I'll turn the music off. 1 second. 1 second. I gotta turn the music off. It's very loud. Alright. Come on.
Project Monkey? You have Project Monkey? Oh, wait, how do you spell that? How do you spell that?
Okay.
Wait, how do you spell what is
Ooh. Oh, low gravity.
How do you spell? Which one do you
It's not even water physics. It's just low gravity. Come on. No, he left me. He betrayed me. Oh well. Well, is this a rope? Can I swing on this? Grab. Grab. Nope. He's. Come on. Come on, we must venture on. We must venture on, my brethren. Low gravity to. Any, many, miny, mo, I choose you. This way, this way, this way. This way. Come on. Come on. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. You go that way, I'll go this way. Oh, okay. Is that just the crystals? Is there anything on the crates? Ooh. Anything back here? Got my gun just in case. Come on. We must venture on. Come, soldier, you're supposed to have your... Soldier, you're supposed to have your gun. Where is your artillery? Soldiers, man down, man down. I don't think there's much in here. Let's go. This way. Oh, that was a really epic slide. Tactical monkey. Hold up, I gotta slide under. Oh! Just lean backwards in limbo. Skrr. 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 What? Skrr. I don't think there's anything in here. I will return to the up. And I'm playing the horror. Then I'm leaving. Must return to the overworld. Oh, what's good, Muggy?
This isn't Gorilla Tag.
Alright. Pinch. Climb. Do the top. Time it takes it, shall. Tunnel I found I shall. Discovered go through tunnel I shall. Ooh, low gravity it is. Oh, my controller. Speedy I am. No more gravity. Go up the tunnel I am. Oh, see top I do. Slow disappear it does. Let's go over here I do. Another parkour course I see I do. Or a playground I do see. Is playground I do see. Is go to top. Go to top as I do. No. Bitch climb this. At top I am. Is rocks. Do as I am, man. Yes, it's a water gun. Oh, you see that 360? Ooh, oh. Alright. Play the horror, I do. I forgot he was right there. You forgot he was right there. Run, 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 run. Monkey. Monkey right there. Run, run, run. Monkey right there. Can monkey get up here? Where are you going? Monkey law. Test jump scare, am I? Loser. Can't even jump. Shoot, is it like the thing that like it slowly jumps higher every time? I shoot you, I do. Shoot you, I shall. Just jump here, shall I? Alright, test jump shot, I shall in 3, 2, 1. That's not scary. Monkey go? Where he go? Where monkey go? Me scared. Where monkey go? Where red monkey go? I hear. I turn off. I turn back on. No see monkey I do. No monkey over there. No see monkey I do. Do you see monkey you do? I don't see monkey I do. Huh? That's the horror. Is monkey there? Did you get tagged by monkey? You look like the guy from Capuchin. Boop. Boop. Where red monkey is?
Yeah, I'm a monkey.
Alright. I think
Hey,
I leave now.
Hey,
how
bro.
does this work? Help me, I can't
Rules.
press any button.
No bad monkey.
Hey, bro.
Listen, you can listen to
Yeah?
the rules. No bad monkey.
Is there a red lady there?
What do you mean?
Is there a red box here?
Alright. Goodbye, monkey, you do. Did you put on the hand? Boop. What's good?
What the flip? What the hell? What the hell? I can't see it. I cannot see. What happened to me? What the hell happened to me?
Oh, he got on the hand camera. He's stuck. I see how
Wait,
you
I
get
have
stuck
to
in
turn
this.
it off.
Oh, he's stuck. Yep.
Is the red dude chasing you?
Hello, wait, button? There, button. I got a hit button with me.
Alright, follow me. Come here. Come here. No, the red monkey. Yes, I did it. Put your name in anything you want. Put your name in
Wait,
anything. Yes,
Wait,
I
what?
did it. Oh no.
Oh,
no.
let's go. I did it.
Oh no. Let me out of field. Let me out of field. Let me out of field.
Alright, goodbye, guys.